In this video, we'll delve into the world of credit scores, demystifying the often misunderstood topic and providing a practical tips on how to improve and maintain a healthy credit score. Whether you are a financial novice or an experienced investor, understanding your credit score is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Today we are tackling a topic that affects almost every aspect of our financial lives, credit scores. From buying a car to renting an apartment, your credit score can make or break your financial opportunities. So let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a credit score? Well, think of it as a financial report card. It's a three-digit number that represents your credit worthiness, indicating lenders how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Now let us talk about what factors influence your credit score. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit inquiries all play a role. Understanding these factors is key to improving your score. So how can you improve your credit score? Start by paying your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. Also avoid opening multiple new accounts within a short period as it can lower your score. But it is not just about improving your credit score. You also need to monitor it regularly. Many tools and apps offer a free credit score monitoring, allowing you to track your progress and catch any errors that may impact your score. Additionally, we will demonstrate the process of accessing your credit score through the official CIBIL website, empowering you with the knowledge to stay informed about your financial standing. No, checking your own credit score is considered as a soft inquiry and won't impact your score. However, hard inquiries which occur when a lender checks your credit as a part of a loan application can have a minor or temporary effect on your score. A strong credit score brings forth numerous advantages, including favorable interest rates. Lenders typically offer lower interest rates on loans and credit cards to individuals with high credit scores, leading to significant savings over time. Access to better financing options. With a good credit score, you are more likely to qualify for a wider range of financial products such as mortgages, auto loans, personal loans with preferable terms and conditions. Higher credit limits. Lenders are inclined to extend higher credit limits to individuals with good credit scores, providing greater purchasing power and flexibility in managing finances. Enhanced approval odds. Whether applying for a rental lease, insurance policies, or utility services, a solid credit score increases the likelihood of approval and may even result in waived security deposits or lower premiums. Negotiating power. Armed with good credit score, you can negotiate better terms on loans and credit cards, including reduced fees, improved rewards, and more favorable repayment schedule. Range of credit score. 750 to 900 it is considered to be excellent. 650 to 750 it is considered to be good. 550 to 650 it is average. And below 550 it is considered to be poor. First things first, head over to the CIBIL website. Once you are there, you will need to navigate to the section that allows you to check your credit scores. It's usually pretty straightforward and prominently displayed on their homepage. Click on the Get Free CIBIL Score and Report option that is available on the homepage. Next, you will be prompted to fill out some personal information, including your name, date of birth, address, and identification details. Don't worry, though this is a standard procedure and necessary to ensure the accuracy of your credit report. So here we are on the CIBIL website, and as you can see, my credit score is displayed right here, a solid 781. Now let's try refreshing this page to see if there is any change. Oh, looks like that's a no-go. Turns out the refresh feature is only available with the paid services on this website. Now this brings up an important point, folks. While you can indeed check your credit score on this website for free once a year, like I just did, if you want to keep tabs on it more regularly, you will need to opt for one of their paid versions. So just to recap, free check once a year, but for ongoing monitoring and access to features like refresh, you will want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. It's all about staying on top of your financial game, folks. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to check your credit score through the official CIBIL website. Remember, keeping an eye on your credit score is essential for maintaining a healthy finances and achieving your financial goals. So why not take a few minutes today to check yours? Your financial future will thank you for it. And that's a wrap on our discussion about credit scores. Remember, your credit score is not set in stone. With patience, discipline, and financial literacy, you can take control of your credit and unlock a world of financial opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay financially savvy.